Hi guys, welcome back to Crickaholics. Today we're going to be looking at the best IPL team for us in our opinions. Before we go into the topic, I would like to thank all of you for your support and please keep supporting us. Now moving on to the topic. Let's see the best 11 performers of the season for each. We have Srivats, Aditya, Nirudesh and myself, Anirudh with us. Now first let's see who are the openers for each team. Moving on to Srivats. Srivats, who are your openers?
KL Rahul and Ruturaj Gaikwad as my openers because Ruturaj Gaikwad has scored three consecutive 50s in three matches, which is not an easy task to do. And he has been exceptionally well for CSK for the past three matches. And KL Rahul, what a player, man. He has scored 132, which is the highest by any Indian. So I have chosen him, and he also has the orange cap. So that's why I have chosen him. KL Rahul is my captain. Thank you.
Yeah, good choices, Srivats. Now let's see what Aditya has to say. You,
Okay.
Aditya.
I have gone with David Warner as my captain and opener, and even KL Rahul. David Warner has had a little off-season this year. He was expected to score more than at least 600 runs, but still he has about 530 runs, and I think is the third highest scorer this season. With Shikhar Dhawan was a tempting option to pick, but I feel with KL Rahul, an aggressive batsman like David Warner would suit more. So I have gone with David Warner and KL Rahul.
Good choices, Aditya. Now moving on, let's see what Nirudesh has got to say. Nirudesh, please.
Uh, my openers are obviously the same, the KL Rahul and David Padikkal. Obviously, as whatever Srivat said, he is the orange cap holder and has 670 runs, and with including the centuries, obviously him. And David Padikkal, man, the emerging player of the season, and has scored a whooping 473 runs. And he has been very consistent throughout the tournament for RCB, so they are my openers.
Good picks. And now finally for my picks, I've gone for Devdutt Padikkal as an opener. Yeah, we don't need to say about him, the emerging player. He came with a boom in the IPL, huge expectations, and he performed everything. And next, KL Rahul, as they have all said, it's all the same points. The Orange Cup winner, he's very consistent like this. Now next, going on to the middle order is very important in cricket, and it's what which can steady a team as well as destroy a team. Now let's see what others have picked for a middle order. M.A. Aditya, what are your picks?
My middle order batsmen are Surya Kumar Yadav, Ishan Kishan, and AB de Villiers. As a Virat Kohli fan, it's really sad that Virat Kohli isn't in my team, but still credits to Surya Kumar Yadav. He has performed really well this season, obviously better than Virat Kohli. Kohli had high expectations but could not keep up with it. Ishan Kishan has hit sixes really easily this tournament, and I think he deserves the number four spot. AB de Villiers has been a match winner for RCB. He has scored 550 this tournament, and out of that, four were won by RCB. And so, yeah, no one can forget that RR innings. So, AB de Villiers is my number five, and also my wicketkeeper.
Yeah, good picks, M.A. Aditya. Now let's see what Srivats has to say. Srivats, your picks, please.
My middle order picks are same as Adi, SKY, Ishan Kishan, and AB de Villiers. AB de Villiers, no introduction to him, as he's been scoring for past 8 seasons. So I have picked him. It's an obvious pick. Ishan Kishan, yeah, I was first I thought that he won't score, but man, he has been hitting very well, man, this season. And Surya Kumar Yadav, yeah, I chose him because of his style, man. He changed his style. Like for past 2 years, after 2 years, he has now changed his style. That's why I chose him. Thanks.
Good choices, Srivats. Now let's see what Nirudesh has got to say.
So my middle order batsman will be the same, but except for one change. And with Surya Kumar Yadav, Ishan Kishan, and Faf du Plessis. Faf has been the Mr. Consistent of CSK and basically is a lone warrior. Um, then obviously Surya Kumar Yadav, he had an amazing IPL throughout the season, and is an exceptional performance, and he's a game changer. Hope to see him in India soon. Ishan Kishan, man, what a player. His fireworks were just amazing, and nobody can forget his 99 against RCB. So, that's just my opinion.
Good choices, Srivats. Good choices, Nirdesh. Now, coming to my middle order, I have Shreyas Iyer, the captain of the team. Of course, he's been remarkable this season. And then Surya Kumar Yadav. He's during the middle orders, many consider it as the slowest or the boring overs. But the man who made it interesting, Surya Kumar Yadav. He plays for his team and is very selfless, as we saw in yesterday's final. And then finally, Ishan Kishan. I knew he had potential, but not as this much. Man, what a batsman he has been this season. Both Ishan Kishan and Surya Kumar Yadav have delivered for their teams despite being uncapped players of India. Now moving on to the lower middle order. That's what I picked. Srivas.
My picks are Ben Stokes and Sam Curran for middle order. Ben Stokes, he had come from an extended quarantine, which is difficult after to play after an extended quarantine. So for the first two matches, he let us down, but the third match he came with a fantastic 100 against Mumbai Indians, which no one expected. And even after that match, the second match also he scored a 50 and he set up the innings for Rajasthan Royals. And my next pick is Sam Curran. He is the only consistent batsman, according to me, for CSK. They have been performing very well. Yeah, these are my picks.
Okay, good picks, Srivats. Now, M.A. Aditya, what do you have to say?
My batsmen are Hardik. My lower middle order batsmen are obviously Hardik Pandya and Jofra Archer. Jofra Archer is a bowling all-rounder, but still has delivered with the bat really well. And yeah, Archer has been the best player in the tournament so far, in my opinion. He has stood like a pillar for Rajasthan Royals and performed almost every match. Actually, every match. No one expected him to smack sixes, but he has almost. Yeah, I think he has a six about 106 meters. I don't know exactly, but yeah, he's been doing really well. And Hardik Pandya, no one can forget his cameos. What a player he is. He looked really off in the start of the IPL, but yeah, he's doing really well right now.
Okay, good choices, Aditya. Now, Nirdesh, what are your middle order picks?
Yeah, my middle order picks are Hardik Pandya, Sam Curran, and Ravindra Jadeja. So obviously, as Adi said, Hardik Pandya had a slow start but a nice finish. According to me, he's one of the best middle order Indian batsmen I've ever seen. And Sam Curran, he was another lone warrior for CSK. He was the highest wicket taker for CSK. And Jadeja, who can forget his wonderful cameos and the match against Kolkata Knight Riders? What a finish! So that is my lower order.
Good picks, Nirdesh. Now, going on, my middle order batsmen, lower middle order. Hardik Pandya, man, he's just a hitter. Maybe a test match, a T20 or an ODI. He just comes in and whacks sixes. Now, let's look what we guys have as bowlers. M.A. Aditya, your picks as your bowlers, please. Who are they?
My bowlers are Rashid Khan, Yuzvendra Chahal, Mohammad Shami, and Jasprit Bumrah. Rashid Khan has been phenomenal this tournament. He hasn't picked much wickets as expected, but yeah, he's really economical. Yuzvendra Chahal, my wicket taker, obviously. He may leak some runs, but still, he's a really good wicket taker. I'm referring to my team. He has been the lone warrior for RCB in bowling. Mohammad Shami is the swing king for me. He might not bowl really well in the dead, but yeah, he has bowled that super over, but still, I'll back him in the new ball. I'll give him the new ball and ask him to bowl. Bumrah is the best bowler ever in the World Cup right now. He has been really good in all the formats, but yeah, he is my fourth bowler.
Good choices, Adi. Now, let's see what Srivats has. Srivats, your bowlers, please.
My bowlers are Rashid Khan, Varun Chakravarti, Jasprit Bumrah, and Jofra Archer. Rashid Khan, I have picked him because of his economical bowling. The two of having six as an economy in T20 is not even easy. People in ODIs can't have that. Only that's the average for ODIs. So it's very good. And Varun Chakravarti, because he has been a good consistent bowler for KKR, no matter who bats, he just comes on board and takes the wicket. That's why I've chosen Varun Chakravarti. Then Jasprit Bumrah, no introduction. Yeah, he has been impeccable. His bowling has been to top notch. He has played well for Mumbai as well as for India. So, and the ball that he bowled to Shikhar Dhawan, man, what a ball. So that's why he's my third. And Jofra Archer. He is the lone warrior, lone bowler of Rajasthan. He has taken wickets. No one could play him easily, man. Even the best batsman struggled to play him. So he is my fourth bowler.
Okay, see what's your choices. Now let's see what Niru has. Niru, who are your bowling picks?
My bowling picks are obviously Rashid Khan. He is a magician, man. And obviously, since he is a lone warrior too, since Bhuvi got pulled out of the IPL, he is like the bowling captain of SRH. And next one is Archer. Man, what a bowler he is. He has been extraordinary throughout the tournament and has a really good pace. And he is the most valuable player of the tournament. And almost all the batsmen struggle against him. And the last one is Bumrah. He can obviously contain runs in the dead overs and has taken a whopping 27 wickets this season. So obviously he is my bowler. So these are my picks for the bowlers.
Good choices, Niru. Now let's see what I have as bowlers. I have Rashid Khan, yes, the spin king, the magician, and whatnot. And then Jasper Bumrah, the world number one bowler, the Yorker specialist, and he's been really good this season. Then Andrik Nokia, man, 20 lakhs was his price, but his worth was really for 5 crores, I could say. He has been really brilliant this season and hope next year he continues the same. And then, of course, the Purple Cup winner, Kagiso Rabada. His pace, everything is perfect. And so that's all we have for today. Before we conclude, I would like this is our teams, and you can tell what is your favorite from all this. And thank you for your support and keep supporting us. Please leave a comment which team you like. Please share, like, and subscribe.